638,000 kilometers on this F150 here. It's a 2012 EcoBoost. This is my landscape work truck. The mailbox is all cleaned up here. I've got a contract with Canada Post, so this truck is always running 10-12 hours at a time, shifting the transmission hundreds and hundreds of times. A lot of stop and go. This truck's been it's been really good. It's got the 3.5 EcoBoost in it, original engine and transmission, and yeah, you can see there the kilometers. 638. This is the interior. I'll fire it up here. Like I said, it runs good. You know, the fuel economy is pretty good as well. About 13 liters per 100K. And yeah, no, I got this truck actually 2 years old. I got this truck 2 years old. It was I got it in 2014, I got it in 2012, and I actually got it with 400,000 kilometers already on there for the 407 Highway Company. I got it over at Wayne's Auto World for $10,000 on Parkdale there, and it was in very, very good condition. It still is in really good condition, but this truck served me very well for landscaping and lawn care, and I go do quotes in this truck. I'll do some big road trips. I'll put the ATV in the back, so it's got the 8-foot box. Yeah, like I said, just a lot of road trips, a lot of jet skiing trips, and yeah, like I said, I mean, I definitely recommend one of these trucks. Or you can pick them up for a pretty good price, and yeah, like I said, I'm hoping to get, like, I don't know, probably, I'm gonna try and get 1 million kilometers. I'm gonna try and get 1 million kilometers out of this thing here, or pretty close to it, and I think that'd be pretty awesome. Anyhow, talk to you guys later. See ya.